Hey, what's going on? What's going on? Your boy Billionaire. So, what I'm about to do right now is kind of give you guys a little insight on a trade opportunity that I've been eyeing for like the past couple of weeks now with Bitcoin. A lot of people have been asking me, where do I feel Bitcoin is headed? So, I'm about to do a like live analysis for you guys to show you exactly where I feel Bitcoin is headed. Now, understand this, I am not a financial advisor. Everything that I'm saying in this video is based purely on my own opinion and what I see in the market. So this is not trade advice or anything like that. So just, keep that in mind, all right? So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and share my screen right now. And what I want y'all to understand is looking at this Bitcoin move that we had, you can see how, Bitcoin has been rallying to the upside. Now I see a few variations on this trade that can play out. But first things first, what I want to do is show you guys what I see just off some basic technical analysis. I see that we have a level of support over here. Level of support, price broke out, taking a lot of sellers out. Got a lot of volume trapped down here at the bottom. You got that big impulsive move that actually happened a week ago. So that being said, looking at what price is currently sitting at, I'm just gonna go ahead on it and mark this chart up real quick. Looking over here to my left, you always want to read the chart from left to right, kind of get an idea of the market and what we got going on. So if I throw a trend line right here on top of this level of resistance over here and just follow it across, right there, just follow it across. Again, you see that this level of structure is actually holding right here. Level of resistance, broke, turn support, right? Turn support, and you can see how price is now right back at this level of support over here. And we are going to see if this level actually holds, right? So right now, that's where we're currently at with Bitcoin, sitting on top of this level of support. Broke out of it. It took a really, really big candle to break this level of resistance right here. Price pulled back, and it looked like it's retesting it. Well, it actually is retesting it. Like I said, I'm still in my buy positions around this area right here, and I am in the buy position for the simple fact that if I take a trend line and go ahead on and draw it across, where's the point that I had? Let's see, where was it? Was it here? Nah, this one. I'll take my trend line and draw it straight across. You can see that price is still playing above this level of support as well. Okay, you see how this right here as a level of support over here. Price came back, broke it, acted as resistance, pushed back up. Now it's creating a level of support on top of this horizontal level of support. And then if I take a trend line and just draw it straight down, you see that price is also sitting on top of another level of support, right? So if you want to say X marks the spot or whatever terminology you want to use, you can look at it as that. But this level to me seems like a really, really strong level to hold as a level of support for this market to continue to rally to the upside. Okay, now if I go ahead on and zoom out a little bit more, you can also see that we have a channel as well, right? Pretty much have a channel that the market is that the market is playing in. So you can look at this as, where did I have that channel? I think it was right here. You can look at this as a channel, right? So you can see how the market can, like I say, different variations come back up here, retest, play around, boom, make its way back down here, and then rally back up to the upside from there. That's a possibility, but looking at this level of support over here, with my experience with trading Bitcoin, it respects these key levels of support and resistance. So the next thing that I see on this chart, getting rid of that channel, is the fact that we have this big impulsive move to the upside. That's what really got my attention, is the fact that we have this big impulsive move to the upside. And if you guys know anything about flag patterns, they are high probability trade setups. Okay, so you can see I'm on a daily time frame, and we got this big impulsive move to the downside, and price started to move at an angle, pulling back down to the support level. And what I see right now is that we can get another push to the upside. And how much will Bitcoin rise? I feel like it's going to go all the way back up to test the extension level. So I'm grabbing my Fibonacci extension tool right there, taking it from this level of support to this level of resistance, back down to this level of support. And we can see price rally back up to this 127 level up here. Throw a trend line up there. We can see price rally back up here to this 127 level, which you know, will push up into these levels of resistance up here. But you know, price can go as high as, you know, 11,430s, around that range. That's what I feel like this is actually going to start doing, giving us that push to the upside. I am in positions based off of this trend line right here. I got in a position last week. Price broke this support, this resistance levels, came back and retested these levels down here, and for that buy opportunity off of that retest right here. And then, you know, I thought we were going to get that push back up to the upside, but right now, Bitcoin is consolidating, trying to figure out which way it wants to go. And then from there, you know, we're just going to keep hopefully rallying back up to the upside. My targets are just, you know, again, 11,400 range. So that's what I'm looking at on BTC right now, and that's how high I honestly think is really going to rally to the upside. So it was something else that I actually saw on this trade as well. You can also see how the market is divergent right here as well. You got price going down, RSI going up. So like I said, we should see, I don't know, price might pull back into this RSI range and then boom, rally back up to the upside. But, you know, I look at this RSI for divergence basically, and I see that's exactly what it created, especially on the daily time chart. But overall, like I say, I feel like it's going up to 11,400, around that range. That's what my target is going to be. Let me go down to a lower time frame. Yeah, you can see that how this this flag pattern is playing out even, you know, better on this 1 hour, this 4 hour time chart. If I go ahead and take this and go all the way across, you can see also we have a level of support right here as well. Taking my trend line from this level of support right here. I'm sorry, this level of resistance, all the way across. Like this whole entire area just looks like a support level for myself. Like this whole entire area right here, it's looking like a strong support level. Price needs to find its way back down here and hold. And like I say, I got in the buy opportunity off of this wick right here. You can see how it retested the backside of that trend line. Got into a buy opportunity off of that, caught that move back up. It pulled back, and then, like I say, we should see a burst of movement to the upside, hopefully, from this point on. But this is my analysis. Again, everything is, you know, purely based on my opinion. But yeah. I have some other information up here too. Let me see. So this entire zone right here would be a target point right here. This entire zone between this 1272 level and that 1.13 level. That entire zone will be let me change this color from red. Change it from red to, I think I have a smoke gray. There we go. This entire area would definitely be an area for me to keep my eyes open for. I need to, you know, hit targets and go from there. But looking at this big impulsive move, this divergence, this trend line break and retest, I can really see price pushing up to this 1272 level. When will it happen? I don't know. It's just a waiting game. Again, the lowest that I do see, you know, Bitcoin coming down to, you know, is about this, you know, retesting this level of support. You know, if all else fails, I feel like it'll come down here and hit this level of support right here, and then make its move to the upside. So we could get something like that, and then boom, rally back up to the upside. But for the most part, you know, if it did do that, let's say if price did pull back into this area right here, we can be looking at let's see. We can be looking at a harmonic pattern completion, a little bit more advanced from X to A, A to B, to C, C to D, to push up here into this zone. Okay, And then if price comes back up here to this area, this would be a strong area to sell off, right? But this is me, you know, thinking outside of the box ahead of the game, this harmonic pattern right here. But for the most part, you know, price is going to push up into this zone. When will it happen? I'm not sure. Will it make the move up before it make the move down and hit this area? I don't know, but like I said, I'm giving myself 2 opportunities to enter this trade. I have positions on this trade right now, and then if price does fall back down to this area, then I'll be actually entering for a little bit more, another position as well. So let me clean this up real quick. Let me actually see what this fib level is. If I go ahead and take my fib from the swing low to the swing high, that level will fall right back into that 71% Fibonacci retracement level, which is it's a high probability reversal zone, that 71% level right here. So that's what this level of support right here falls into. So like I say, could we get this move down? This move down before up, or is this move just going to hold at this support level right here and just keep pushing up? But that's what I'm looking at on Bitcoin right now. You know, for more details, like I say, for my personal team, you know, who I mentor and everything, you know, you guys will get access to this first. If you guys are watching me on YouTube and you guys want to, you know, follow me for more info, feel free to hit me up on Instagram. My Instagram is Billionaire. I'll type that right now on the screen, and I'll leave it in the description. I'll also leave it in the description as well. So my Insta is at Billionaire, BILLIIONAIRE. That's my Instagram. Feel free to follow me on IG. And guys, you know, like I said, if you're on my team, you want to get access to this first. You want more info, feel free to hit me up. I'll leave all my contact information in the description in the bottom, and would love to, you know, be able to get any of you guys' opinions or ideas. If you got any comments that you want to drop, feel free to drop it in the comment section, and make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, like button if you love this video. And I'll talk to you guys later. My name is Billionaire, and I am out.